Welcome to Floral Vibes and Beyond. In today's video, I'm excited to show you how to create a beautiful peony flower bouquet. I've already cleaned and prepared all the flowers and materials. Let's arrange the peonies. Make sure to hold the flowers firmly but gently to keep the arrangement neat. Once the flowers are arranged, it's time to wrap them. I've already prepared the white wrapping sheet. Place the bouquet in the center of the wrapping sheet and bring the corners up around the stems. Secure the wrapping with floral tape or a ribbon to keep it in place. Here, I've used a ribbon with Florabella written on it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Floral Vibes and Beyond for more floral design tips and tricks. See you next time.